Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given if x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 16 equal to 0, then find the value of x to the power of 10 now. Okay, so here as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 600 olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here given x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. First of all, you have to know that x is not equal to 0. So if x is 0, you'll get 16 equal to 0, not possible. Huh? So here what is the logic is multiply x on both sides. Multiply x on both sides. X into x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to x into 0. So here you'll get x to the power of 5 plus 2x to the power of 4 plus 4x cube plus 8x square plus 16x is equal to 0. Now this can be written as x to the power of 5 plus 2x to the power of 4 plus 2 into 2 x to the power of 3 plus 2 into 4 x to the power of 2 plus 2 into 8 x equal to 0. Now x to the power of 5 plus, here taking 2 common, x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 8x is equal to 0. So from the given x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 8x is equal to 16 now. Minus 16 is equal to minus 16. Substituting that value, x to the power of 5 plus 2 into minus 16 equal to 0. X to the power of 5 minus 32 is equal to 0. X to the power of 5 is equal to 32. So what is required? X to the power of 5 whole square is equal to 32 square. So x to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.